Welcome, friends, to the very heart of the growing season. June is a time when the garden truly comes alive, and every corner seems to hum with possibility. As you step outside and breathe in the fresh, earthy scent of the soil, you can feel the energy of growth all around you. The days are at their longest, the sun is generous, and the world feels full of promise. This is the month when gardeners everywhere feel a renewed sense of hope and excitement, knowing that the efforts they put in now will shape the harvests to come. June is the month when you can plant almost anything. The garden is bursting with life, the days are long and the soil is finally warm. The gentle heat of early summer encourages seeds to sprout quickly and young plants to take root with vigor. Whether you're tending a small patch or a sprawling plot, the possibilities are nearly endless. The air is filled with the sounds of birds and insects, and everywhere you look, there's evidence of nature's abundance. It's a time to dream big and to fill every available space with the promise of future harvests. This is the final window for many crops to get established for the year ahead. If you've been waiting for the perfect moment to plant, now is your chance. The soil is warm enough to encourage rapid root growth, and the long daylight hours give your plants the energy they need to thrive. Missing this window means waiting another year for certain crops, so seize the opportunity and make every day count. With each seed you sow and each seedling you tuck into the earth, you're investing in the months ahead. Beans, tomatoes, squashes. Each seed or seedling you plant now stands a real chance to flourish. These summer favorites thrive in the warmth and will reward you with lush foliage and, soon enough, a cascade of colorful fruits and vegetables. Don't forget about cucumbers, peppers, and melons, which also love the heat and will fill your garden with vibrant growth. Every plant you add now is a step toward a more abundant, diverse, and beautiful garden. Whether you're sowing for a summer glut or planning ahead for autumn's bounty, let's explore what you can plant in June for an abundant harvest. Think about succession planting, sowing new crops as others are harvested to keep your beds productive all season long. Consider leafy greens for quick harvests, root vegetables for later in the year, and herbs to add fragrance and flavor to your meals. With careful planning, your garden can provide a steady stream of produce from now until the first frost. Let's dig in and make the most of this golden month. June is a time of action, hope, and anticipation. With every seed you plant and every bed you prepare, you're not just growing food, you're nurturing life, building memories, and creating a sanctuary of beauty and abundance. So grab your tools, gather your seeds, and join me as we embrace the promise of June together. Beans are truly the backbone of summer harvests, and one of June's most rewarding crops for gardeners of all experience levels. Their vibrant green pods, crisp texture, and sweet earthy flavor make them a staple in gardens and kitchens alike. Whether you're a seasoned grow or are just starting out, beans offer a reliable, bountiful harvest that signals the height of summer. To get started, direct sow French, runner, pole, and bush beans straight into warm, well-drained soil once the risk of frost has passed. For a continuous supply of fresh beans throughout the season, sow a new row every week or two. This simple succession planting technique ensures you'll always have tender pods ready for picking, right up until the end of summer. Beans thrive in full sun, so choose the sunniest spot in your garden. Push each seed about 2 inches deep into the soil and space them roughly 8 inches apart to give the plants plenty of room to grow and breathe. Water them well after planting and keep the soil consistently moist until the seedlings emerge. Pole and runner beans are natural climbers and will need sturdy supports like bamboo canes, trellises, or garden netting to reach their full potential. Train the vines gently as they grow. Bush beans, on the other hand, are compact and perfect for containers, raised beds, or small garden spaces, making them ideal for urban gardeners or those with limited space. In just a few short weeks, you'll be rewarded with crisp, tender pods ready for harvest. Beans are not only highly productive and beautiful, but their flowers also attract bees and other pollinators, supporting the health of your entire garden ecosystem. Don't be afraid to experiment with different varieties. Try purple, yellow, or speckled beans for a splash of color and unique flavors at your table. With so many options, beans can add excitement and diversity to your summer meals, making them a true highlight of the season. Sweetcorn is truly a summer garden delight, with its tall, leafy stalks and golden cobs that capture the very essence of sunshine. There's nothing quite like the anticipation of watching those green shoots rise, knowing that in just a few months, you'll be harvesting sweet, juicy kernels right from your own backyard. Sweet corn not only adds beauty to your garden, but also brings a sense of accomplishment and joy to any gardener. If you haven't sown your sweet corn yet, don't worry. June is your last chance to plant for a late summer or early autumn crop. Even if you're a bit behind, you can still enjoy a bountiful harvest if you act now. The warm soil and long days of June give your seeds the perfect conditions to sprout quickly and grow strong. When planting, remember to sow your sweet corn in blocks rather than single rows. This is crucial for good pollination, which leads to full, juicy cobs. Place 2 seeds in each hole, spacing the holes about a foot apart in both directions. This block formation helps the wind carry pollen from tassel to silk, ensuring every kernel develops. Before sowing, prepare your garden bed by enriching the soil with plenty of compost or well-rotted manure. Sweet corn is a heavy feeder, so it needs fertile ground to thrive. After planting, water the seeds thoroughly to help them settle in and encourage strong germination. Once your seedlings emerge, thin them out so that only the strongest plant remains in each spot. This gives each corn plant enough space and resources to grow tall and healthy, without competition from weaker neighbors. Throughout the growing season, keep your sweet corn well fed and well watered. Regular feeding with a balanced fertilizer and consistent watering, especially during dry spells, will help your plants produce the sweetest, plumpest cobs. The block planting method really pays off when the wind blows, as it helps pollinate the silks on each ear, leading to those perfect juicy kernels we all crave. You might even see the pollen drifting through the air on a breezy day. And when harvest time arrives, you'll be rewarded with sweet corn that's fresher and tastier than anything you can buy at the store. Once you've tasted homegrown corn, bursting with flavor and sweetness, you'll never want to go back to store-bought again. There's simply nothing like it. Early June is prime for sowing squashes, courgettes, marrows, and pumpkins outdoors. Choose a sunny, compost-rich spot, plant seeds an inch deep, and space generously. Water well and watch for slugs on young seedlings. Transplant indoor started plants if you prefer, and enjoy lush leaves and bright flowers that attract pollinators. Harvest courgettes early for tenderness and pick regularly for more growth. Sowing now sets you up for months of delicious eating. June is the time to plant out or direct sow outdoor cucumbers, especially ridge varieties. Sow seeds or transplant seedlings into a sunny, compost-enriched spot about an inch deep. Provide support as vines ramble and keep plants well watered and mulched. Ridge cucumbers are robust and perfect for outdoor beds or containers. Outdoor cucumbers have unbeatable crispness and flavor. Sow now for homegrown cucumbers in salads and sandwiches soon. June is your last call for homegrown tomatoes. Plant out young plants now. Plant deeply in the sunniest spot, enrich soil, and water well. Support with canes or cages and pinch out side shoots on cordon varieties. Watch for blight and water consistently to avoid split fruit. Feed with high potash fertilizer once fruits set. Act now for sweet sun-warmed tomatoes in late summer. With frost gone, June is perfect for planting peppers and aubergines. Choose a sunny, sheltered spot, plant into rich soil, and space 18 inches apart. Feed regularly with high potash fertilizer as flowers appear. Keep soil moist but not waterlogged. With care, you'll harvest sweet peppers and glossy aubergines by late summer. Don't miss this final opportunity to plant them. In warm regions or greenhouses, June is the time to sow okra, eggplants, and melons. Okra can be direct sown. Eggplants and melons need the sunniest, most sheltered spot. Sow melons directly or transplant young plants using cloches or tunnels for warmth. All 3 crops need rich soil, consistent moisture, and patience. Choose early maturing melon varieties if your season is short. The reward: crunchy okra, silky eggplants, and sweet, fragrant melons. June is ideal for succession sowing lettuce, beetroot, pak choy, and radish. Sow a small patch every 2 or 3 weeks for a continuous supply of fresh greens. Choose a lightly shaded spot, sow thinly, and keep soil moist. Beetroot and radish mature quickly. Pak choy and lettuce thrive with regular watering. With regular sowing, your garden will always have something fresh and delicious. June is your final chance to sow peas for a summer harvest. Sow fast-growing varieties in a sunny, free-draining spot about an inch deep. Support plants as they grow and water well during dry spells. Pick regularly to encourage more pods and enjoy them fresh or lightly steamed. Just picked peas are sweet, crisp, and unlike anything from the store. June is perfect for sowing carrots and beets for fall storage and hearty autumn meals. Sow carrots in stone-free soil for straight roots, beets in rich moist soil, thin seedlings for space, mulch to retain moisture, and keep weeds at bay. Harvest beets when golf ball sized, carrots when big enough to pull. Both store well for winter use. So sow generously now. Plan ahead for autumn and winter feasts. June is key for sowing winter brassicas, kale, cabbages, Brussels sprouts, calabrese, turnips, and kohlrabi. Sow in seed beds or trays, then transplant when large enough, spacing well. Kale and cabbages like rich, firm soil. Turnips and kohlrabi can be sown directly. Keep crops watered and netted against pests. Plan now for nutritious greens and roots through the colder months. June is the time to plant out celeriac and celery. Both need a long season and plenty of moisture. Plant in rich fertile soil, spacing celeriac a foot apart and celery in blocks or rows. Water thoroughly, mulch, and feed regularly for steady growth. Blanch celery for pale, tender stalks. Come autumn, enjoy crisp celery and knobbly celeriac in warming dishes. Missed the main potato window? Late spring and early summer are still great for planting fall potatoes. Plant second cropping or late main crop varieties in sunny trenches, a foot apart. Earth upshoots as they grow to prevent green tubers. Keep soil moist, feed and watch for blight. Harvest after foliage dies back and skins set. Digging potatoes in autumn is a treasure hunt, each tuber a promise of hearty meals. June is ideal for transplanting outdoor melons under cloches or tunnels to speed growth. Choose the sunniest, most sheltered spot, water well, and feed regularly. Move strawberries forced under cover outside to extend your harvest. Mulch and net to protect fruit. And enjoy sweet rewards all summer. A garden filled with sun-ripened fruit is one of June's greatest joys.